dengue.
Dengue statistic.
You know how what is the position of the statistic of the dengue right now?
Okay. As for confirmed cases from January to July, we have 266 cases. In the month of July, we had 102 cases. July मातशे आमचे cases increase झाले. Of these 102, 37 cases are in the North Goa and 65 cases are in the South Goa. The South Goa is slightly we are concerned about it because थंय फक्त दोनूच हेल्थ सेंटरान ह्यो 65 केसीस डिवायड जाल्ल्यो आसा. दॅट इज इन वास्को वी आर हॅविंग अबाउट 41 केसीस and Kortalim we are having 24 cases, whereas the 37 cases in North Goa are scattered in various PHCs. थोड्यांकडे एक आसा chemical in it, so the mosquito may get resistance to the chemical. We may have to use stronger and stronger chemicals later on when there is a resistance, and this may also affect our elders in the home or children. They may get respiratory problems because of this smoke which is fogging. So that's why indiscriminate fogging is not advisable. What we advise people and what we request the people to help us is by controlling the breeding. If we don't allow the mosquito to breed at all, we will not get this adult mosquito which are a nuisance to us. So if in some places like Vasco, the problem is of storing water. The people are not getting 24 hours water and they are storing water. We understand that if there is no water they need to store, but we are telling them how to store it. If you want to store water, keep a airtight lid on that, or if you do not have a lid, put a cotton, some sari or some cotton material so that, and tie it tightly so that the mosquito doesn't enter, lays eggs. In this way we can prevent breeding. So that is what is my request to the people, to prevent breeding. So our first aim should be to prevent breeding, and the next is after breeding, if we have prevented and still there is mosquito, then we need to take care of the adult mosquito. So that is it.
Madam, how is the response as compared to the last year to this year? Is there increase in the dengue or it is decrease in this?
Last year till May we had cases because the rains had started early, but then from May onward last year the COVID started, and there were lot of containment zones. Our people couldn't visit and they were not entertained also. So the surveillance part was reduced because we couldn't, our surveillance in the field work by our workers was reduced because of lack of because of the COVID pandemic. But this time what has happened is COVID has come down from May onwards, and the rains have started, and so this year the surveillance is better. Our workers are going in the field, they are checking for fever cases. And what we have done in all health centers, whenever a person comes for with fever, along with COVID, dengue and malaria also is tested. So testing is more, and we get more cases. So more cases doesn't mean that this time the cases have increased, but our surveillance is better, and that's why we're catching this, we are getting these cases. There are a lot of houses clustered together, especially the government quarters. And we have found today only our personal people have gone there for source reduction drive, and they have found lot of receptacles like bottles, soft drink bottle which could have been kept upturned, अशे उडे दवरले की तातूंत उदक भरता, and that leads to breeding. Then tires, some broken bottles, buckets, all these things, receptacles, a lot of receptacles are scattered in this Santines area, especially the quarters. Hence my request is to the community that they should also cooperate with us, because if they keep their surrounding clean, we cannot go every time to clean. Today we are having the source reduction drive there, but if they keep their surrounding clean, once a week they can take a round of their complex or their society and see if such receptacles are there which may lead to breeding, and they can destroy it or discard it. Because now what has happened is, in between we had heavy rains and the breeding used to get flushed out, but now because of this intermittent rain, the water remains in these receptacles, whatever are there, coconut shells, buckets, soft drink bottles, tires, and they breed, because breeding of mosquito takes only 7 days. The mosquito to become from egg to larvae to pupae, it remains in the water. The life cycle of mosquito is in the water, and we are not aware unless we take care of this receptacle. We are breeding this mosquito in our compound only, and once they become adult mosquito, and then we complain that we have got there is a nuisance of mosquito and asking for fogging. But then fogging, what will help is they will kill the mosquito, but the factory, what I give the example is like a factory which is going on, and the finished product only we are trying to destroy, and after 7 days again the new finished product will come out, that from egg to pupa and the adult. And also we get lot of requests whenever there is a case. We without fail, that is one of the strategy to kill the adult mosquito, anti-adult method that we call, that we are taking care, we are doing fogging whenever there is a case in that area to kill this adult infected mosquito. But sometimes we get lot of requests, and people are not happy when we tell them that indiscriminate fogging is not advisable. Because if you go on doing this indiscriminate fogging, what it will lead to is the mosquito will gain this resistance. आता नॉर्थ गोवान जे आसा न्ही 37 केसीस, दे आर नॉट कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड इन वन PHC और वन सेंटर. इट इज स्कॅटर्ड, लायक पणजी 1 आसा, म्हापसा 5 आसा, देन कांदोलीम 3 आसा, अल्दोना 1, बिचोले 1, बाळपय 4. बट बाळपय मोस्ट ऑफ दीस 4 पीपल ते पणजे काम करताले इन कला अकादमी. सो एक्चुअली वी शूड कीप इट इन पणजी. आणि शिवोले कासरवाणे 4, शिवोले 2, आणि कोळवाळे इज 9, साखळे इज 2, अँड पोरवोरीम इज 1, मयम इज 2, अँड चिंबेल इज 2. हे अशे 1, 2, 3 अशे दे ऑल स्कॅटर्ड अँड नॉट इन अ व्हेरी हाय नंबर. whereas there are no clusters, where we get worried when there are clusters in one place. So in North Goa, this is according to the transmission season. This is our transmission season, so that whatever cases we have got are not above what we have got last year. But only South Goa we are slightly concerned because of the clustering of cases.
ओके मॅडम, सांतिनेस एरियान बी अशे केसीस वाडला, अशे कित्या खातीर ते?
Panje, now at present we are getting slight increase in the suspected cases. These are what I have told you are the confirmed cases. Okay, and suspected cases also we have slight rise in Panje, Chimbel, and this is in the North Goa district. We have Panje and Chimbel. These are the two centers which are of concern. Panjin zala म्हणटा ते Panje city, Santines, and Panje city, Santines, and we are having at this Mala zalya, and we have at Toka, but more are concentrated in Panje, Altino. We had Altino, but not many. Altino we had just 3 cases. And more concentration is at Santines and Panje. Panje main problem is we are getting in the city, in the sense that some of the overhead tanks are open. So थंय तातून ब्रीडिंग जालां आनी आमी ते वयर पावूंक शकना. So we have written to this municipal corporator, municipality, and also to letter copy to collector, so that they can put the leads on that. So that will prevent breeding in that overhead tanks. So Panje, the main problem is because of the overhead tanks, open overhead tanks, which has caused maybe the cause of breeding there.
How is the malaria?
Yeah, malaria we are in better control, because we are in the elimination phase. We were supposed to eliminate last year, but that we couldn't. Even this year, because of pandemic, we couldn't. So Government of India has extended the date till next year. And we are on the right track, because our out of the 33 PHC CHC urban health center, 25 health centers have already achieved 0 indigenous cases. The rest health centers, there are construction sites, and here we are focusing on early screening of the laborers, and at this we want cooperation from the contractors and the builders, so that they tell us the arrival of the new laborers so that we can screen them. So if we screen them and treat them, if they are at the first within 24 to 48 hours, then transmission of malaria is stopped. And in Goa, the malaria is because of is a migrant malaria. We do not have a parasite in Goa as such. The parasite usually come from outside, from endemic area, through these laborers. And whenever we get any local person with malaria, you can always trace the case to there's some construction site occurring in the area where that local case is staying, or some highway work has been taken, or roadside laborers had come somewhere, so that we, for any local case, we can always trace the malaria to some construction site or some laborers. So in Goa, the malaria is more of a migrant malaria.